Okay, we took advantage of the parking lot sale at Harbor Freight tonight. I actually got this when I was doing some exchanges last night, but I'll just include it. A Riveter. I got this because I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be riveting the trailer fenders to the trailer instead of welding. I don't know if they're going to be good enough though, but I'll decide that later. It was like $5. This came from tonight. Jack stands, the 3-ton for $16. Deep sockets, $20. Standard deep sockets, metric, $20. And to complete the regular sized impact sockets, I got the standards because I already have the metrics from years ago. And I also got my first real floor jack, because that little guy, it doesn't ever even get the car up high enough for my fat butt to squeeze underneath it. So I had to get something a little bigger. And then also I got this Cobalt Impact. It's got 350 foot-pounds of torque on the reverse. I played around with it a little last night. I didn't actually use it. I might return it because I don't know if it's going to have enough torque to do what I want, but it seems like 350 foot-pounds should be plenty. So yeah, that's what I got at the Harbor Freight, and I did not spend that much money, which is awesome. So we'll crack open the floor jack and put it together and see how it goes.
So I did my Harbor Freighting today. Got myself a Pittsburgh Breaker Bar. My dad and my brother already have one, but I'm not going to always have them, so I thought I'd get myself one while it was on sale. And then we had a 20% off coupon, so I got myself 2 gas tanks. This one's for my my chainsaw, and this one is for my ATV. So instead of using laundry detergent gas cans, I bought me something that's actually legal and real.
Alright, Brandon is going to do the unboxing of the floor jack. Dalen's here too again. He's busy. He's got a lot going on. It says 2.5 pumps to, or maybe it was 3.5 pumps to lift up your car.
I'm just gonna, we can call this rednecks doing redneck stuff.
That sauce that comes with it's good.
I liked the American more than the Italian.
Oh, I've only had the Italian. I'm one of those guys that once I like something, I just stick with it.
I get it.
You must be my brother. Jericho's always wanted to try new places, and I was like,
nope.
No.
Well, I look at the menu and I go, there's so many things here that I haven't even tried.
Let's get a big J.
Can I get a big J with extra jalapeno cream cheese?
Yep.
You should try the David's burger if you've never tried it.
Is it like the Lobo burger?
It's got jalapeno, it's smothered in lettuce and jalapeno cream cheese.